Sorry, didn't see that. Before we get into it, I know what you're thinking, so let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I've got a bit of a tan, alright? Thank you for noticing. No, this is not a humiliation ritual. I actually went out and bought this. No one made me do this. Today, we're making Circus swag. This is probably the most requested video I've had, so grab your popcorn, put your feet up, and lock in. What am I doing, bro? I'm gonna start by using co-producer. Let's go E minor, accordion. Ooh, we're getting there. Never mind. This one's literally called Circus Clown Melody, so let's click Show Similar. That's the one! Let me chop this up. Stay with me, chat. Trust the process. I forgot to put this on. Let's record this in to find a layer. Low accordion. Let's pitch this down. Alright, that's the intro, I think. Let's copy this accordion, delete some of it. Gonna... This has to go. This has to... I need some goofy lead. This, I'm becoming a Minecraft YouTuber. In a lot of circus and clown music, they use these chromatic runs, which is just a fancy way of saying use all the notes. Easy way to add bounce to your beats. Just turn the swing knob up. This is what it sounds like on max. I'll probably have it around here. Let's get some horns. No, I just clicked whilst the knowledge was loading. Layer it. Layer it again. You need to trust the vision. Stay with me. Strings. Time for some drums. I'll put some Foley on the snares for texture. Let me just copy this. $2000s perks. You can click Reimagine to get unique variations of any sample. I'm going to use the original as well. Let's add a drum fill. The bass is going to carry this beat. I'm about to... Just needs a little... Let's move these parts to a different bass. Automate the saturation. Gonna automate this open filter knob in Serum. Pitch automation. Let's copy this bass pattern to a lead. This is why you stay with me. Disco stab. Put a scratch and another stab and layer this lead. Let's drag in a load of effects. I made this new section. Ooh. Needs a drum fill. Nah, I'm cooking, guys. Listen to this. I know what to put here. Let's add some vibrato to this bass. And we're done. Hold on, let me put the nose back on. And we're done. If you want to try Co-Producer, check out my link in the description and get 50% off your first month and a 7-day free trial.